Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve no 5G signal issue on Motorola Moto G87. So there are three possible reasons and three possible solutions for this issue, and most probably you have to verify your data plan and make sure that it includes 5G services with your data provider. After that, you have to go to settings, then go to network and internet, select SIMs and mobile network, go to your SIM card and make sure that you have the 5G enabled by going to preferred network type and selecting 5G. And if you're still not receiving the 5G while having the mobile data enabled, this probably means that there is no 5G coverage around you, or at least 5G coverage that your SIM card can catch. So the only solution to this kind of issue is just moving to the opened area, so moving outside the building, outside big houses and trees, and checking your signal once again. Eventually you should be able to reach the 5G signal. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.